you want to get? Throw it or eat it?
Yeah. Can you at least have short fire flames?
Go get the dragon, Katie. Go get him.
Did I technically kill Rowan?
Sure.
So shouldn't he be dead now?
Get him! Get him, Katie! Get him!
Hold him.
Whew.
Hey, give me the sword. Give me the sword. Give me the sword.
Okay, dragon, come back this way. Oh, Katie got daddy.
Oh.
I win.
Katie, go get the dragon. Give her the sword.
Katie, like this. Katie, you are nice something.
Go get the dragon. Go get him.
A summer.
Go get the dragon. Go get him. Oh. Go get daddy, Katie. Get daddy with the sword. Get him.
I'll help you. Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah.
Eat it!
We have nice green grass right here.
Get Mama!
You gonna get Mama with your sword? Oh, you got me.